Sanibonani guys. So namhlanje sizokhuluma okay, namhlanje sifocus ku-electrotechnics N6. So sizo-include ama-topic ayi-2 namhlanje because these topic are similar and they work ngathi each like they work ngendlela ngathi ziyasizana kahle kahle. The efficiency testing helps ilona i-Swinburne's ukuthi ikhona ukuperform. So in this part ke, so masikhuluma nge-efficiency testing sikhuluma like anything that deals with efficiency, anything that deals with, and remember anything that deals with efficiency, which is power. Once you have efficiency, which means you have to win a power ngaphakathi. I hope I understand that. So it's a machine of losses. It's a machine of losses of ama swing pains for ama swing pains. So in the kanje learn sikhuluma ngani nge-speed control but manje in an inverse way, yabo. So in this part, remember with speed control we have process 1 and process 2. So in this part we have ama process engaki i3, which is about no load, full load, no dead load. Yabo. So with dead load kuzobe kuyi maximum, full load, yeah, okay, yeah, full load nakhona bese kuba ne no load. So in this part here, so in this part sizoqala ngani nge-efficiency testing. Efficiency testing, you know ukuthi kumele ngithini, sikhuluma ngani nge-power. You know ukuthi power in it is equals to voltage multiplied by the line current ozobe uyisebenzisa. So you must know ukuthi all the given powers are output powers. Like izinto vele abazokunika zona, especially futhi ku-efficiency testing and the-swing pains. Wonke ama-power azokunika wona kuze kuyi-output unless they stated, njengokuthi mhlawumbe mabanga-state bazothi from the load, or the load delivers a power of, you see, you know, like into ezinkanjalo, the load delivers a power of this and this delivers yabo into ezinkanjalo. So in this part ke, into kumele uyazi futhi ukuthi the efficiency it is inversely proportional to ama-losses. So masikhuluma ngama-losses, sikhuluma ngani ngama-losses lawa anjengaku-variable losses, hysteresis losses, yabo nje, like copper losses, into ezinkanjalo, like ama-losses, which means ke le uzo-understand uma ngisho kanjalo as sikhuluma ukuthi le part le ngizobe ngithini mangithi the efficiency is inversely proportional to ama-losses. So in this part we start with ubani, u-power out. Power out kuzoba ubani, u-power in minus ama-losses wethu. So yeah, bese senzani, sifuna ukwenza power in the substitute the formula. So which means soyenza kanjani, sizotranspose le silethe ngapha, which means sizoba no power in it is equals to power out plus ama-losses. So manje it depends ngokuthi sidila nge-circuit enjani. So I didn't mention manje ukuthi ngikhuluma ngama-losses anjani, but it depends ngokuthi ngikhuluma like in a circuit sinama-losses anjani. Remember ukuthi uma ngikhuluma ngama-losses ngikhuluma nge-something like example, singasho ukuthi if I'm using ama-wires, you know ukuthi kuzoba nama-iron losses because you use iron laphaya, then copper losses, even copper yabona, like into ezinkanjalo. Bese if I have shunt, which means kuzoba nama-shunt losses, yabo into ezinkanjalo. Yeah, mangikhuluma ngama-losses kuyadependa nokuthi i-circuit isebenza kanjani ngalawo ma-losses lawo. And remember ukuthi we have imotor and the generator. So mangabe kukhona imotor, athi ngihlukanise here. So we have imotor and i-generator. So in this part again, it's simple lento le ngoba manje we have, remember ukuthi we have the well-known or the basic formula ezoba ubani, N is equals to power out, power in multiplied by 100%. Yini lena i-basic formula yethu. Even nangapha futhi nakhona still we are having the same thing. So which is about power out into power in multiplied by 100. Remember ke, so into nakanje ukuthi imoto, it starts from i-load. Let's say we're having something like this, shunt here, shunt there. So i-power in ingapha, bese here in our armature, armature yethu le i-power out isuke yenzani, iyaphuma, which means we'll focus kuphi, ku-power out. U-power out akumelanga sibe njani, sibe nayo kahle. Bese ke to la ku-generator, the power out it is equals to uV multiplied by IA, like ngamanye amagama ngichaza ukuthini, in an armature the power yenzani, iyangena. le power out yenza iyangena, which means power in akumelanga sibe nayo. I hope sazwana. Remember ke ukuthi ku power out wethu, power out yethu unobani, uno P in, unobani, uno P in minus ama losses, which means lapha ku motto sizoba nobani, sizoba no P in, sisubstitute ya P out, sizoba no P in minus ubani, ama losses all over P in, into kanje. So bese mase manipulator you know ukuthi sizoba nobani, no P in all over P in minus losses all over P in is equals to 1 minus losses all over P in. So which means our formula is over kanje. Remember ukuthi here in this part we're having something like this. Slow multiply 100. Slow multiply lapha 100. Even slow multiply by 100%. Multiply by 100%. Nalaphayana multiply by 100%. So in this part masiza ngapha ke manje kuphi ku generator sinentina kanje. So which means here sizoba nobani, no P out. Remember ngithini power generator, which means power out into kumele sibe na. So which means sizoba nobani, no power out plus power, no not power, ama losses plus ama losses siba now. So okay, even here nobani, no multiply by 100. So even if you can see ukuthi ayilanga komnandi nge-math, so kusho kumele uyekele kanje. So in this part most of the time power out bamenzani kuzoba ubani, uv multiply by I line all over uv multiply by I line plus ama losses bayibhala kanje most of the time. Even nangapha nakhona ungayenza leyo nto leyo, uthi v multiply by I line ngapha komuthi, which means sizoyibhala kanje singithi here multiply by 100. So sesingathi lana 1 minus ama losses all over v multiply by I line or multiply by 100%. So this thing here ikhuluma ngani, yonke le part le ikhuluma ngani, nge-efficiency testing. Yiyo le efficiency testing uyibona nje kanje iphelele kanje. So man, that is it depends ukuthi nama losses ayingakhi into under that topic, no, which means we mention kuphi lapha kulama losses lawa laphaya. I hope to understand when it comes to efficiency testing, which because kuyo yonke into esiyisebenzisa ku efficiency ku chapter 1 sizosebenzisa in efficiency testing. So in this part here efficiency testing, so lana masichubeka siya kuphi manje ku Swinburne's. Remember ukuthi sinani sihlanganisa ama topic ayi2 lapha, which is a summation of ama losses for Swinburne's. So ku efficiency testing siqedile, athi ngibhale lapha ngaphansi. So which means sizoba nani, sizoba ni summation of losses for Swinburne's. So kule topic lena ke bhekana ukuthi how this thing it gets more simpler mangabe mangabe understand in efficiency testing. So in this part remember ukuthi ku efficiency testing sine formula enakanje ithi P in it is equals to P out plus ama losses. And ngithini then ngaphinde ngathini, it depends ukuthi under that topic kunama losses ayingakhi. So in those losses ke, so in this part ke summation of losses for Swinburne's sizoba nama losses ayi3, which means kuzoba ubani u3 losses. Kuleyo 3 losses sizoba nobani, sizoba neshunt lobhala kahle. So sizoba nani, neshunt losses plus in armature losses plus iron and windage losses ngizibhala kanje, i-ion and windage losses yini kuzoba yini ama-losses esizoba nawo lawo, ama-losses esizoba nawo, which means u-P in wethu manje uzoba ubani, u-P out plus u-3 losses, which lo 3 losses lo umfaka as ubani, u-shunt losses, u-armature losses and u-ion and windage, just ukuthi thina manje we reduce in i-formula ukuthi isi-avoid into eziningi. So in this part sizokhuluma ngani, nge-no load, ne-full load, ne-dead load. So ku-no load, so ku-no load we're having something like P out, okay, obvious sizobona u-P out, it is equals to u-P in and P in plus u-3 losses. So let's draw a circuit yakabani, yaka no load. So in this part it's either uzosebenza ngani, nge-shunt or nge-series. So in this part thina sizoyenzani, sizomenshina i-shunt kwamanje. So IA no RA, I-line u-V. I'm mentioning ilona i-shunt because most of the time sisebenza ngelona nge-shunt. So in this part here, ku-no load, the P out, remember ngithini, the all ama-power bazoba bakunika kuzoba kuyini, ku-power out. So i-power for ubani, i-power out for i-no load circuit kuzoba ubani, u-0. We don't have in i-power, sorry, here we are supposed to have ubani, u-minus here, I think. So kumele sibe no P in here, yeah, kumele sibe no P in here. So which means i-power out wethu kuzoba kuba ubani, kuzoba u-0, which means we don't have any losses, or like i-power out asinayo, we only have in ama-losses. Into ngayichaza kanjalo, but I understand when I see it we don't have any losses. So in this part again, we don't have in the power out, and no load, which means u-power in wethu is equals to u-0 plus u-3 losses, ngamanye amagama the power in for i-no load kuzoba ubani, u-3 losses, which leyo 3 losses kuzoba ubani, ion and windage losses kuba ubani plus u-VIF, ku-shunt ile yini, i-shunt losses plus i-armature kuzoba u-IA squared RAC, ini ama-windage la mawabhala ngama-formulas, le i-armature le, bese le i-shunt le, bese i-ion and windage, yeah, ion and windage losses, kuzobe kuyilama formulas la uzobe wa-include laphaya. So masichubeka so if you see i-subscript ethi mhlampe 1, let's say ukuthi V1 or I1, yabo, I1 lezina kanjalo, which means kuzoba kubani, i-no load. Mawubona nje i-subscript kuzoba kubani, eku-1, which means kuzoba yini, i-no load. Iminish ukuthi i-no load i-subscript. Anything mhlampe like mangabona ukuthi kuthiwa V1 or u-IF1 or u-IA1 squared RAC 1, like sikhuluma ngani, ngobani, ngo-no load, kusuke kuyini, kuyi-no load mawubona nje into ethi subscript 1. I hope sazwana. So masichubeka la, so in this party, or you can include either, you can include either ubani, no load, or uvele uthi nje I at no load, like into ezina kanjalo, like ungayifaka kanjalo. Bese ke manje siya ku-full load. U-full load ye nayo is part of ilona full load. U-full load nayo ilona circuit yakhe, sizosebenzisa ini, i-shunt. Sisebenzisa i-shunt. So RF, IF, I load 2, IA2, not RA2. Remember ukuthi mangabe you see ubani subscript 2, it means ubani, it means u-full load. Or mabangathi FL, mabona FL, which means it's full load. So ku-full load here, i-power out, it is not equals to u-0, which means ngamanye amagama ngichaza ukuthi our P in it is equals to u-power out plus u-3 losses. which ama-losses wakho kuzoba ubani? Ion and loss ion and i-ion and windage losses, kube i-shunt losses, kube i-armature losses. Ama-3 losses wakho awatshintshi when it comes to i-swing pens. So which kuyena must mawuyichuba la, remember ukuthi ulona wakho u-P-in wakho, lo P-in it is equals to u-V multiply by u-IL2. U-P-in wakho lo kusho ukuthi kumele ube nani laphayana ne-current such that sizokhona ukuthola ubani u-P-in for ubani i-second load, so which kuzoba ulona i-full load. I hope sazwana. In this part into ebekumele ngicacise. In this part singayibhala ezingathini, sithi P-in it is equals to u-P-out plus u-ion and windage losses plus u-shunt which is u-V IF2 which plus ubani okay nangapha u2 bese kuba ubani u-armature singibhale ngeformula IA2 squared RAC squared. So I think izobonakala kahle mayimi kanje. So bheka, ngifuna ungilalele sisi kahle. Ushunt before siya ku-dead load, kushunt if kushunt nje kuphela ne, if they did not add any resistor, the resistor in the field, ane, which means lo chaza ukuthini, athi ngithi NP futhi nala NP. So lo chaza ukuthini, lo chaza ukuthi u-I and windage, ion and windage and ubani IF, okay, if i-shunt which means kuzoba ubani, which means u-IF1 it is equals to u-IF2 it is equals to u-IF3 if they didn't add any resistor in the field. If abayi-edanga, which means u-IF1 no-IF2 no-IF3 bazolingana. Same thing applies as ubani i-ion and windage nakhona kusazoba ubani zizolingana for process 1, process 2 no process 3, which means zizoyenzani, zizolingana. I hope sazwana nalapho. Mangabe aba-edanga any resistance in the field, bazoyenzani, they will give us ilona, they will give us something like ilo, but we know mabanga aba-edanga any resistance in the field kulona kushunt, which means your IF1 IF2 IF3 same applies as ion and windage izolingana kuwo wonke. So there's no need ukuthi ucalculate ilona into eyi-1 kaningi. I hope sazwana. So masifika ku-dead load you know ukuthi subscript 3 dead load nayo nakhona kusese ubani dead load siyibiza ngani, nge-maximum efficiency. Siyibiza nge-maximum efficiency, so which kuzoba ubani, so singiyise phezulu nya u-IF3 iload 3 u-IA3 RA3 F3 u-V. So khumbula guys ukuthi u-V akachintshi unless they stated ukuthi uchintshile. So in this part ke dead load, ku-dead load ke sizoba ne-formula A1 ezoba common ke, le i-common into mawazi vele masusebenza nge-dead load i-formula ozoyisebenzisa yiyo le to find u-IA, yiyo nje kuphela ile yakabani u-IA3 all squared RAC is equals to u-V IF plus u-ion and windage losses, which means angisakhumbuli kahle ukuthi which one okay, so in this part ngapha we have in ama-variable variable losses, we have in ama-variable losses, we have losses bese ngapha we have constant losses, constant or something, but something like constant losses into ezingakanjalo. but in this part. So which means mangabe you come across ubani u-IA3 yile formula leyo uzuyisebenzisa kuphela, ayikho enye ozobe uyisebenzisa. So must focus kuma efficiency. So kuma efficiency, when we are having imoto, you know ukuthi your efficiency, it is equals to n, it is equals to 1 minus 3 losses. Remember ngithini, it depends ngama losses onawo under i-topic. So ilama 3 losses lo kuzoba ubani, iron and windage losses, ilona i-shunt losses, ne-amateur losses. Ila uzowafaka lapha, uzowa-add wonke bese siba nobani, no VIL2. I hope sazwana ngoba because they will ask for ilona efficiency, because kumele usebenzise ubani u-IL2. So because it is the latest, ngisho ukuthi it is the latest i-power esinayo, i-power esifunayo kahle ilona, because i-power out lapha nasinayo. So we don't care about i-process yokuqala, we care ngale process leyo bus2, because sifocus kuyo manje. I hope sazwana. So bese kuba nobani ne-generator. I-generator, you know ukuthi efficiency yakhona it is equals to, singithi VIL2 all over VIL2 plus 3 losses times 100%, times 100%, even nangapha futhi times ubani 100%. Into like ozoyisebenzisa le, if they said ukuthi ine-generator ntontoni, you know ukuthi efficiency ozokumele wenzeni uyisebenzise ile ya, bese mabathi ine-motor ile kuzoba yiphi ile formula le efficiency ozobe uyisebenzisa. Most of the questions when it comes to swing pens usuke wenzani, ufuna i-efficiency. Mancane ama-question ongafuni i-efficiency ku-swing pens. I hope sazwana. Mangabe ukuthandile ukubonile lana, subscribe, uphinde ulike, uphinde ushare nabangani bakho abathanda ukufunda njengawe. Asibonge.